Earlier, when people had eye problems, they used to visit an eye hospital. But now, the hospital itself comes to them, a flying hospital. Last week, the Flying Eye Hospital arrived in Dubai, where it examined people's eyes and provided advanced treatments. This is the world's only airborne hospital dedicated to eye care and training doctors. It travels to various countries, offering free treatment to deserving patients and providing training to local doctors. Inside the aircraft, there are modern operation theaters, training classrooms, and rest areas for patients, meaning it's a cargo plane, a flying hospital, and a medical service center, all in one aircraft. The Flying Eye Hospital's mission has been ongoing since 1982, and so far, thousands of people have regained their eyesight. After completing its goodwill mission in Dubai, the hospital's next destination will be Rwanda, an African country. Before starting a mission in any new country, the team spends 12 to 18 months in preparation, inspecting airports, hospitals, and facilities in the host nation to ensure everything meets international standards. The hospital not only provides treatment, but also donates microscopes and medical equipment to local hospitals. For instance, it recently sent medical supplies worth millions of dollars to Peru. In fact, this remarkable journey began in 1973, when an old cargo airplane was transformed into a fully equipped hospital, and this incredible mission has continued ever since.